Last minute changes raising environmental concerns, and next, what comes. Today, important conference has been taken in Pune. Let's try to understand what was the conference. So, as today the important conference regarding the city's development related to environment has been taken place, what is your wording regarding that?
I think it is one of the good initiatives what has been done by Bharat Recycling Show and MPCB together jointly. So this is an initiative to bring all the stakeholders together. That is policymakers, NGOs, industries, and students as well, to understand the importance of recycling, how through recycling there can be circular economy, how through recycling there can be a business opportunity, and through recycling also how do we curtail the environment damage which has happened through the decades. This is one of the first shows which has been hosted by MPCB and Bharat Recycling Show in Pune. We started with Pune because Pune being an automobile hub and IT industry hub, there is a lot of automobile waste which is being generated here. Similarly, because of IT industry hub, there's a lot of e-waste is generated in Pune. So I think this is a one good stepping stone what has been created in Pune right now. But we are just not stopping here. There's few sessions going to happen in Nasik, Ratnagiri, and few other cities as well. So I look forward because as we can see, there's a good response in Pune and in other cities also. There'll be a massive response because Maharashtra is moving towards circular economy. There's a policy coming up by the Environment Department wherein we are creating 5 hubs across the state, giving impetus to such circular economy opportunities within the state.
As we have seen, like MPCB has given a letter to PMC regarding the pollution that has been faces in the city like Pune. So, what action till now has been taken on the ground?
There are multiple directives time and again we've issued to the corporation, and corporation is proactive, corporation is working towards positively. But I always say the damage which has been done few decades back, we cannot just overcome those damages in like few years or probably in a decade. It will take some time and it has to be done in a phase wise manner. But yes, damages have been done. Yes, it has been done, and definitely we will conquer those problems which we are facing today. But in a time, in a phase-wise manner. Like for example, to make an STP, you cannot do it overnight. It will take some time to build those STPs. Why they were not done till now? I think let's not get into that. But positive steps have been taken by corporation. If they don't, then definitely as MPCB we will take against action against the corporation as well.
And my last question would be like Pune is gonna become the growing for the infrastructure in the upcoming 10 years. So, what would be the plan related to environmental issues that has been seen? Like tree cutting is one of the major issues in the Ganesh King Road area, like that.
There are multiple directions which are given in timely manner to the corporation and all the industry stakeholders as well, how to curb the pollution. But in the same point of time, how to monitor that pollution as well. MPCB is taking multiple steps, putting up AQI monitoring stations, putting up noise monitoring stations. So we are, as MPCB, we are taking those steps so that we can keep a watch, and whoever is violating, we can take stringent action against them.
As we have seen that this conference talks about the MPCB is saying that in upcoming years they would be seen related to the riverfront issues and the pollution issues and many other issues. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay, Pune Times Mirror, Pune.